How to make the paint transition.
A woman I know took from my best friend. Some joker got lucky, stole her back again. He better come on.
Today's video is sponsored by a good friend of mine, Nas.
Freedom of jail clips inserted. A baby's being born, same time a man is murdered. The beginning and end.
Scroll down in the transitions and add a Fusion cross dissolve between your clips. Right-click in the transition and select Open in Fusion page. Delete the transition node and add a new dissolve node. Connect your second clip to the dissolve, go in the Inspector tab and change the operation to Gradient Wipe. Right-click in the background foreground slider and select Modify with Anim Curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the curve to easing and set the in and out to sign. Bring a paint image to your flow. Just Google paint texture and you will find plenty of free stuff. Connect the paint image to the dissolve node. To introduce some movement, add a displace node after the paint texture. Connect your image to the green point also. Select the displace node and increase the spread all the way up. Right-click in the refraction strength and select Modify with Anim Curves. Go to the edit page, copy and paste your transition to the next clip. Right-click on it and select Open in Fusion page. Delete the paint image and replace it with another one. Connect it in the green and the yellow point of the displace and you have a new paint transition. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, I have better things to do.